Hello guys, beginner trader here. Let's start next transmission. Okay, we can check our Excel file. As you see, we start from $45. We try to get 10% every day. Saturday was 9% on plus. Sunday small minus. 5% or minus, and on Monday we have 11%. Average is 5, so we not uh, on our 10%. Here we put all the playing position. Here we put the closing position. Bitcoin close manually on that number. Red color means that we have small minus. AVAX we get take profit. Now we have two position open. It's fill. L long and Alice same long. We can check now how the trades are going on the chart. So as you see, Alice it was not far from take profit, but we didn't get. I don't like to be in a trade that long, so I leave that one. In next 24 hours, if we will not get profit, I will close the position and try to find another one. Here, as you see, it wasn't far from stop loss, but luckily Bitcoin goes up today, and we on that level. Okay, let's check fill now. Here we have far take profit, but same stop loss is far because long-term position. But if we will be soon on that level, we close it manually. As you see, we opened the position on 56. Let's check our Excel file. Fill 56.44. $56.44. So here's our entry. Still far. Here was almost on the entry, but we go back. Okay, let's check Bitcoin right now. Good day. From yesterday we going up. I was putting two zones. Here was down, red zone and green one. When we cross the green one, we goes up. I was doing it by using the candle's shadow. Here was lowest shadow, and I used that shadow from that candle because long time we was on that zone, and when we cross we goes up. Okay, I think next zone will be 60. We can leave maybe on 1 day. Time frame, and let's put that shadow. I can put a green color. So here we have next zone. If we cross that one, we will have next moves up, but we can be close to that zone and get next consolidation, but maybe if Bitcoin is strong enough, we'll take that one really fast. Okay, let's check 1 day time frame again. Here we have average lines. When the white one will cross the blue, that will be signal to take long position on Bitcoin. Almost always when we cross the line, there was really strong moves down and up and down. Okay. And here what? Okay. Let's check coin 360 green color today. Not much on plus, but we will be on that level. The altcoins should get some power and goes more up. Bitcoin 369, Ethereum 4,4, Binance Coin 2%, Litecoin 4,4, ZEX 5,5, US $4 and is 1% on plus. So nice to see green color almost on all of the altcoins. I hope we will be Really long time now. Fear and Greed Index, it's fear 33, so we going up. Yesterday was fear as well, 27 points. Last week neutral, 50. Last month was greed. Okay. Here's perfect model. So if we will follow the 10% profit every day, we should have numbers like that. After 15 days, it should be $170. After 30 days, it should be $785. After 90 days, it should be 239,000. After 100 days is 4 millions, and here 200 days. Nice numbers here. From 45 on start, I hope we'll have someday that level. Okay. If you want, I can share with you that file and that one. Just leave a comment. I will send you empty templates, and you can use that for your trades. Okay, all of my position I share on my Telegram profile. I will leave invitation link on my description. So if you want, you can join. I will put all the position when I start, when I open, and I will update later if we take profit or if we get stop loss on position. Okay, I think it's all for today. I will leave an update tomorrow, so join me on Telegram, leave some like, subscribe, and if you want if you like that content, and if you want, you can leave a small donation. I will develop the channel for you. So thank you very much, and see you tomorrow. Let the Bitcoin be with us.